So the third tip is choose the best way to count. Techniques. Your best way means I am talking about the technique now. Something like scanner technique, then complementation, etc. Okay, this is again, I can tell you an example, very simple. Okay. Suppose there is a picture like this. It's an elementary question. Okay, it's a triangle where you have something. These are called as CVNs, concurrent, and it's dividing into say 5-6 pieces. Suppose the question is how many triangles you realize from the figure. So usually approach is whatever triangle we are able to see, you start collecting. The question is again after counting, right? This is fine, but that is not a good approach, because if the count is more, then you don't know after, suppose it's like 35 or 40, something like that, I mean for some other picture, then you don't know after 10 counts, no, you don't know whether you are collecting the same thing again or not. So only by enthusiasm we will start collecting, because we are able to see one triangle, so immediately we will collect it. So that's not going to help you counting. Again, we may have to look for a proper procedure, right? See, what I am going to tell an approach which is not only for this figure. The point is I am going to tell this is a very simple example for scanner technique. Scanner means you are going to scan this picture in several rounds. You understand my point? I am going to scan in several rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3, like that. Okay, point is, suppose you are going to call these pieces like this. Okay, and let me call these pieces. So I am going to say, take one thing, number of pieces forming a triangle. Pieces means, I mean what? Adjacent pieces, correct? Forming a triangle, and there is a counter. Okay, so in the first round I will see only one piece is forming a triangle. So all, I am not going, I want only the counter, I am not going to, 6. Then 2. The second round, this is over. First round when you are seeing, you are going to concentrate only, you are going to pick one piece. If you are going to see some 2-piece triangle, you are not going to, because your task is now on 1-piece triangle. Are you able to understand? This is an organized approach. So then you can see 2 pieces, A and B. You can go clockwise like this. A and B, fine. B and C. Is B and C forming a triangle? No. C and D? Yes. D and E? E and F? F and A? How many yes, how many no? Then 3. You get A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, A, F, A, B. 4. No triangle. 5 also, because it's like you are removing one piece. 6. So how many you get? Understood or not? Okay, so just that means you are actually, point is you are going by an organized approach. Your scanner technique means you are scanning the same figure in different rounds. You will never miss anything. If you are missing, that means in counting you might not have spotted some triangle, some error would have happened, counting error. But otherwise in approach, there is no issue. Are you able to understand what is scanner? This is a simple example. Scanner technique is very powerful. If you come, I mean, there are some other problems also. I am going to explain you scanner technique. Clear? So let me give one more picture. This is like, see, actually I tried to draw This one I don't know whether it looks like that. Usually a tennis court, right, is going to be, the nets will be here, right? Is that correct, Chair? Okay, all are rectangles, right? Now the question is, how many rectangles to see? So what's the plan? Same idea. What you are going to do? You have got how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Correct? So you are going to go after one piece rectangle, then two adjacent pieces rectangle, then three adjacent pieces, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rounds. It's over. Clear? So number of adjacent pieces forming a rectangle, right? There is a counter. So if you are going to use one piece, how many rectangles? 8. For 2, okay, 4. Then for 3, first of all, the court, will there be an extension like this in this court? No. Okay, let it be like that. Our tennis court is like this. Okay, for 3 you get these 3, right? How many you get? 2. For 4, okay, once it becomes very simple now. 5, 2, 6. 1, 7, 8. It becomes easy. 12, 14, 15, 17, 18.